Waking up to the sound of my alarm clock. Another day, same routine, feels like a gridlock. Coffee in my cup, gotta shake off the sleep. But the weight of the world feels like it's on repeat. Every day hustle, just trying to survive. But sometimes it feels like I'm barely alive. Searching for meaning in this crazy race, in a world that's moving at such a frantic pace. We're all just trying to find our way in a world that can be so great. But through the struggles and the pain, we'll find our sunshine after the rain. Staring at a screen, lost in the noise, but deep down inside I'm searching for poise. Messages flashing, distractions abound, but I'm yearning for silence, a peace to be found. In a digital age where connections are click, the real human touch can feel like a trick. Yearning for something more, it's on the screen. In a world where authenticity feels unseen. Through the highs and lows, the twists and turns, we'll keep on going and we'll never learn. But in the end, when